Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So this video is gonna be about our small trip to Nandi Hills, the famous Nandi Hills of Chikballapur near Bangalore. These are the things that we are carrying with us for this trip, and luckily we took the water bottle with us, as one-time use plastic bottles are not allowed at Nandi Hills anymore. So you make sure that if you are visiting there, you must carry a bottle with you. And here is he taking out our bike, and we will be going there by bike. And we did this trip in the month of April, so it was not very cloudy there at the Nandi Hills, but yeah, it was worth visiting. A small relief from the hotness of Bangalore. As you all know that Bangalore was pretty hot this summer. Nandi Hills is around 60-65 kilometers from our house, and it took us around 1.5 hours to reach there. And entry to the Nandi Hills were not yet allowed, like it was pretty dark, so they have not opened the entry gate yet. So we waited here for around 20-25 minutes, and lot of people were there as it was weekend. And we didn't had any issue, like there was not much traffic. As soon as they opened the gates, we went in there pretty soon and pretty smoothly. Yes, there was like crowd of 20-30 people before us while taking the entry ticket. If one is going to Nandi Hills by bike, then obviously they can maneuver through the traffic very easily compared to the car. If you are going to Nandi Hills by car, then you have to be little longer in the traffic. This was a sunrise view from the top of the Nandi Hills. There is also temple where you can go for darshan, and be careful from the monkeys. Like there are several monkeys around this place, and they can literally go and open your bag silently to grab something to eat or drink. Now we are going down, and while going down we sat at this spot and enjoyed the cold breeze. There was literally no cloud at all, and the sun was shining, but due to cold breeze we were not feeling the heat from the sunshine. And we sat here for 20-30 minutes, and then we started going down again. This is nice place for getting your photos clicked also, so a lot of people were getting their photos here. And while going down, this is a mandatory thing for me to buy kacha aam. stopped here for some Nariyal Pani and saw this big giant red grapes. I don't know it is grapes or something else, but it looked similar to grapes, and Bangalore has many vineyards, so I thought that this will be grapes. And to have our breakfast, we stopped at A2B. This is one of our favorite restaurant to visit in Bangalore. So we had here podi dosa and masala dosa, I believe. And yeah, then we headed back to our home.